In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order animations in Canva, 5 minutes. First, make sure you're logged into your Canva account. Once you're in, head to your home page and open the design you want to work on. This can be a presentation, a social post, or any layout with multiple elements. If you're testing things out, it's a good idea to duplicate your page so you can experiment without losing your original layout. With your project open, click the specific element you want to animate. That could be a text box, an image, or a graphic. If you want each item to appear separately, select them one at a time rather than a group. Grouped items will move together, so if you need precise control, ungroup first so each piece can have its own timing. Look toward the top toolbar and click Animate. This opens Canva's animation panel. Here you'll see different motion styles you can apply. Choose a simple entrance animation if you like, but the key for click-by-click reveals is the timing control, not the style itself. Enable Appear on Click by turning on the toggle. This setting tells Canva not to play the animation automatically when the page loads. Instead, each selected element will wait for your click. If you don't see the toggle, make sure the element is selected and that you're in the animation panel for that element, not the whole page. Next, click Click Order. A list of the animated elements will appear, showing the order in which they'll be revealed during your presentation. This list reflects what happens when you advance with a click. If you're unsure which item is which, hovering over a name will highlight it on your canvas, making it easier to identify. Now drag the elements into the sequence you want. Place the title first, supporting graphics next, and details last, or whatever flow fits your story. If two items should appear together, group them in the canvas before setting the order so they move as one step. When your order is set, play your design to preview how it looks. Click the Play or Present button, then advance through with clicks to see each animation appear in sequence. If something feels too early or too late, stop the preview, return to click order, and adjust by dragging until the pacing feels smooth and intentional. That's it. Log in, open your project, select an element, click Animate, turn on Appear on Click, set your click order, drag to arrange the sequence, and preview. With these steps, your Canva animations will appear exactly when you want, keeping your audience focused and your message clear.